Hello, good morning student. Once again, welcome you to your English session. Today, we will read a story and I hope you all like to listen story. Anyone who didn't like to listen story? No, perhaps everyone like to listen story. And children very much like to listen story. We used to listen story from our grandparents and they tell us different story very beautifully. We enjoy story very much. Before let me discuss about the story. Before telling you story, let me discuss something else regarding story. We will discuss a story about son-in-law. Son-in-law. What do you mean by son-in-law? It is a relation in our family. What do you mean by son-in-law? Suppose your father and your mother. Father of your mother. Father of your mother. Father of your mother. What do you call to father of your mother? Your grandfather. He is your grandfather. What your grandfather means the father of your mother will address to your father. Your grandparent or father of your mother will address to your father as son-in-law. As son-in-law. That means your father is son-in-law of your grandfather. Your grandfather. Your father is son-in-law of your grandfather. You are son of your father, but your father is son-in-law of your grandfather. Grandfather means the father of your mother. So, today we will read about story on son-in-law. Okay. There are so many stories in different language about son-in-law, and in those stories we found that there are some son-in-law who are very full. Here also we have a story about a foolish son-in-law. And that's why the title of the topic is the foolish son-in-law. The foolish son-in-law. The foolish son-in-law. Before going to your text, let me tell you an interesting story about a foolish son-in-law. There was a village quack. Village quack, you know, a quack who used to treat people in village, although he does not know anything about treatment. See, treatment जाने में just treatment करे तब हमें कहो quack. There is a village quack. In a book, it is a fake or false practitioner. He does not know what is treatment, but he show himself as if he is a very good doctor and treat village people. There is a village quack. He also trained his son to be quack. The village quack had he trained his son to also start treating people. One day, the father-in-law of his son, the village quack, his son, and father-in-law of his son. Father-in-law's son had a fever. He had a fever means he felt body got hot fever. He therefore sent his son to treat his father-in-law. The village quack sent his son to treat his father-in-law. Treat. What do you mean treat? Treat means the doctor treat us. It means the village quack sent son-in-law to treat his father-in-law. When his son was about to leave, Suppose the son started to go, about to leave. Leave means leave in गोटे जगह परित्याग कर about to go, about to leave. What did the quack said? When his son about to go, he gave him some advice. Gave him some advice. Whom he gave advice? Village quack gave some advice to his son. When the son about to leave to go to his father-in-law house and treats him. और फादर-इन-लॉ को ट्रीट करने के गला पूर्वरु ता पुओ को विलेज क्वाकटा किसी एडवाइस 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 व्हाट इज एडवाइस means उपदेश means some instruction you want to give. Listen son, listen. सुनो गला common sense. What do you mean common sense? It is a thing. Common sense means साधारण ज्ञान, साधारण चेतना बुद्धि व ज्ञान, साधारण बुद्धि. Common sense means in a particular situation what you want to do, it is not need to be read from book. कौन सी जगह बही पढ़ा दरकार नहीं, सिचुएशन देखी परिस्थिति देखी किसी व्यवस्था करे ताको कॉमन सेंस बाजे. कॉमन सेंस विल मेक यू ग्रेट डॉक्टर. यदि कॉमन सेंस ठीक भाव यूज कर गोटे बड़ डॉक्टर हो. सिंपल कॉमन सेंस, नथिंग बट सिंपल. देन ही गेव हिम एन एग्जांपल. He gave an example from his experience. Experience means the activity we have done. We know about the we face different situation, and to face different situation we address this situation. हम परिस्थिति को मुकाबला करके विभिन्न काम करते हो. सेटा आम भीतर गोटे एक्सपीरियंस अनुभव ही होइते. From experience he gave an example. What example है? Once I went to treat a patient. P-A-T-I-E-N-T. Patient. Patient माने रोगी. Okay. I went to treat a patient. I saw banana peels. Banana, you eat banana? Banana. We must eat banana. Banana peels. Peels means the covering of a banana. कड़ीर छाली माने फिर under his cot. Cot means the cot where we sleep. His cot. Then testing his pulse. What do you mean pulse? Pulse. Suppose if you like to touch here gently, you can feel that the pulse. It is called pulse. You might have seen doctors used to touch like this and see pulse. So then when Quack was testing his pulse, he said, "You must have taken banana." By looking at banana falling on the cord, falling under the cord, he pretend से छलना कला से जानी सत्य जानी पाला भाया अभिनय कला एवं कहला, "You must have taken banana. That is why you have been a bad cold." Bad cold, ठंडा ज्वर, bad cold. The reason of your getting fever is the banana you have ate. The patient and his father were surprised. The patient surprised to see, surprised. आश्चर्य हो गया. How did Quack able to know? How did Quack could know that I have taken banana? But what happened? The real situation is that the Quack had seen the banana peels under the cot, so he pretended to know everything and said that, "Have you eaten banana? That's why you are feeling fever." How could from the pulse he know that he had eaten banana? How the Quack able to know just by feeling the pulse that I have eaten banana? They have become surprised. In this way, they start feeling that this is a great doctor. In this way, by using my common sense, I become very famous doctor. Famous. You know what is famous? Famous means known to everyone. Famous means known to everyone. प्रसिद्ध हमें कह पाएगा. Famous means known to everyone. Therefore, son, you use your common sense. And he gave this advice to his son. The village clerk gave this advice to his son that use common sense while treating a patient. So when you are going to treat your father-in-law, use your common sense and go. The son went to his father-in-law house. The son went to his father-in-law house. He saw that his father-in-law was lying on a cot. He saw him lying on a cot. Who was lying on a cot? His father-in-law lying on a cot. This is a cot, and this is a cot, and father-in-law was laying on it. This is a cot, and under the cot there was a cat. What he say? What will say? Now he wanted to use common sense. Under the cot, a cat was sleeping. When the cot was sleeping, the cat was sleeping under the cot on which the father-in-law was sleeping, and under the cot, not above the cot. The father-in-law was staying on the cot, on the cot, but the cat was sleeping under the cot. Now he wanted to use common sense. His father had advised him to use common sense, relating to that experience of banana peels lying under the cot of a patient. Here also he want to use the common sense by relating to the cat sleeping under the cot. Now he wanted to use his common sense like his father to become famous. He want to use his common sense. He took the pulse of his father-in-law. For some time. He just did an act. Just pretend, and father-in-law sometimes pretended to think, so that he was feeling the pulse properly. He pretended. Past tense is pretended. Pretend means doing something unnatural, means which you are not actually, but trying to show like that. प्रकृति जहाँ सेपरी देखा आम कहू प्रिटेंड छलना कला. Then he said, father-in-law, you must have eaten a cat. Like that, a very funny thing. You must have eaten a cat. As his father was telling that patient that you must have eaten banana. Here also he used that common sense, made the same thing, and told his father, you must have eaten a cat, which is why you are running high temperature. That's why you are running high temperature. Temperature means the warmth of body. It's called temperature. Do you want? So how funny this situation? All these things. How these all are funny? So we have read about a foolish son-in-law. The use of common sense, very unnecessary and not useful. While treating a patient, the doctor should go into details or go into practical things. But these funny things, these nonsense things are not required for proper treatment. So I hope you have enjoyed the story, and before going to the main text of the story, you have enjoyed the story perhaps. ଶୁଣିଲ କେମିତି ଗୋଟିଏ ଥିଲା ଜ୍ୱାଇଁଟେ ଥିଲା ଏବଂ ସେ କିପରି ତା ବାପା ଆଡ଼ଭାଇସ୍ ବା ବାପାର ଉପଦେଶ ମାନି ତା ଶ୍ୱଶୁରକୁ ଟ୍ରିଟମେଣ୍ଟ କରି ଗଲାବେଳେ ତା ବାପା ଯେମିତି କରିଥିଲା ଖଟ ତଳେ କଦଳୀ ଚୋପାକୁ ଦେଖି ପେସେଣ୍ଟକୁ କହିଥିଲା ଯେ ତୁମେ କଦଳୀ ଚୋପା ଖାଇଥିବା ଯୋଗୁଁ ରୋଗ ହେଲା, ଠିକ୍ ସେମିତି ତା ଶ୍ୱଶୁରକୁ ସେମିତି କହିଲା, କାରଣ ତା ଶ୍ୱଶୁର ଖଟ ତଳେ ଗୋଟେ ବିଲେଇ ଶୋଇଥିଲା ଏବଂ ତା ଶ୍ୱଶୁରକୁ ସେ କ'ଣ କହିଲା, ତୁମେ ବିଲେଇ ଖାଇଥିବା ଯୋଗୁଁ ଏପରି ଅଧିକ ତାପମାତ୍ରା ତୁମ ଦେହରେ ହେଇଛି, ତୁମକୁ ଜ୍ୱର ବେଶୀ ହେଇଛି. Now we will read about the story in the next session. Thank you all. Please try to read the story from your book once again and recall the story I have told you. Thank you, dear students.